Congratulations to all my clients who got a unit here in Zadia. Because Tower 3 is almost complete. And for the past year or two, nag-appreciate na yung value ng investment nila. Refresher para sa mga hindi na maalala kung saan to, this is located just beside New Valley here in the prime location of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Favorite ko talaga tong condo na to because as you can see, it speaks for itself. I know guys, matagal akong nawala dito sa platform na to, no? Medyo nagpahinga lang tayo ng konti, pero bago ang mga kwento, share ko muna tong opportunity na to, especially if you missed this last 2022 to 2024. Guys, don't sleep on this. I consider this as an emergency because ngayon merong nag-reopen na 2 corner units. So, pag corner, premium siya. So, talagang hahanap-hanapin to in the future. So, pwedeng mas mataas ang resale value. And of course, if this will be for personal use, meron kang dalawang source of natural light and ventilation. Meaning to say, mas maaliwalas at mas maliwanag yung unit mo. Sample dito sa Tower 1, this is a corner unit. So, meron ka ng balcony and sliding door dito. Meron ka pang window sa gilid. Rare opportunity talaga to because kaunti lang naman ng corner sa isang floor and talagang unang nauubos yan. Nagkataon lang may reopen ngayon, so good news. The available corner units are located here. So dalawa yan, same number lang, number 16. Corner facing east. So morning sunshine, di masyado mainit. Tapos facing amenity area pa. As you can see, parang nasa hotel. So premium yan. So ang ganda, may greenery. And facing the clubhouse, tanaw mo yung pool. This is already in Tower 4. So here's the sample computation. Total contract price is 5.1 million plus other charges, which is yung mga taxes and yung mga title transfer fees, nasa 5.4 million. Note na mas mura pa rin to compared sa other condos of its kind na nasa strategic location ng Santa Rosa. Hindi mo kailangan mag-spot DP. Pagka-reserve mo ng 28K, magma-monthly ka lang ng 28K for 30 months. Then itong balance na natitira na 4.2 million, pwede mong i-loan sa bank. Here's the sample amortization sa bank kapag 20 years to pay. Around 110k ang income requirement nito. At ito naman siya kapag 15 years to pay, nasa 125 to 130k naman yung income requirement. Don't worry because 5 towers in total dito sa Zadia, kaya malaki pa yung itataas ng value ng property mo and marami pa tayong aabangan dito sa Santa Rosa. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo guys. Siyempre, hindi ko kontrolado hanggang kailan magiging available ito, but I'm sharing this to as many people as possible because sayang yung opportunity. Again, 2 corners ito, isa sa 8th floor, isa sa 9th floor. If you want to reserve one of the units,